Day number 3 out here at Diani Beach. Today we're gonna go to a goat race. We're now near the goat race, but it's starting in 1 hour, so we're hanging out now at the beach for a few minutes and then we're heading to the goat race. It's an old traditional thing and you can even bet on the goats. That's what I heard. The goats are not trained, they're just randomly picked from the from the town, from the village, and then on a golf course there's a very big event tonight. Later in 1 hour we're gonna join it, we're gonna check it out, and I hope I'm gonna get some good footage. Subscribe, leave me a like and follow me on my journey living outside the box. 100 shilling each for the entrance in the goat race. That's around €1. Let's goat derby. Like small brooms in the end. I guess they will charge them a bit. How do you say? Hunt them a bit. I guess it's less about the goat, it's more about the owner. So I'm gonna choose an owner. So in 5 minutes the race is starting and they are now putting
some of them are really ready to go.
Goats in the starting line.
Hold on, we're missing one.
What I found out for now, this is a charity event. So all the money they win with the gambling and with the stuff they sell here, they're gonna donate for something.
Okay, the under orders. And they're off. 27, 26 and 8 is what I saw.
It's a bit of a mess, no? I don't know who, you can say who won and who lost. As you can see, it's much more about the things around the goat race. You have a lot of people with this nice typical British hats. Reminds me a bit of Australia, of the horse races in Australia. It's like people day drinking, having nice snacks, dressing up nicely. They even have a competition about who has the nicest hat, they told me. He's fitting now with the...
This is Claudia's car. So Claudia, if you see this, you have a wonderful car.
Wow.
Good picture. I saw you before, but I'm going now.
Is it about the goat or is it about the runner? What is important, the goat or the runner? The goat. The goat is important?
Yeah. And then when he can... But he needs to know exactly what he does. Otherwise the goat is running to the back. He keeps it in line.
So if you put money on your goat, you get money also?
Yeah. Good money on the goat, yeah.
How is it called?
How?
The name of your goat?
My goat is Kenyan ways. When you put money in the Kenya ways, when I'm winning, you can get money.
I see. You will win?
Yeah, I'm winning. And then we share. Because I'm a superstar. The goat, I'm winning.
Check out. Check this out.
Asante boss, we see you on the racetrack, eh?
Decided now to bet on our goat, on a goat, and we have to figure out where to bet. So
36, Lady Columbus and Nancy Sand Lovers. Sarah will be wearing jacket number 14. And Toyota Land Cruiser will be wearing jacket number 3. So please go place your bets. Okay, the tote's been paying out 5 to 1.
like there you have
So go have a look at it. Guys, put some brush on.
a rank.
Hurdles. And don't forget, Good Life Pharmacy right here will take
There's all the different races, so...
do some screening for you
Until 4:30.
if you're interested. Blood pressure, sugar levels.
500 of the 34.
500 on 34.
Because that was the only guy who was talking to us and he seemed pretty motivated.
Mark,
We are tangent.
farm free.
The rain stopped, the bets are placed,
Okay, you're going to start bringing out the
the
goods.
race is starting soon. A day cannot be better than this, eh? Can you get out the goats, please?
The cow,
Ooh, let the goats out.
goat number 29.
Alright, alright, alright.
Kenya, wait!
Here they are.
Where's Kenya Waste? Oh, number 2 stumbling.
The good life promise you had.
Number 2 doesn't want.
We've got one refusal.
Oh, what a bad
Aye,
one.
aye, 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 aye.
Carried to the
Already he's going
flying
down this
It's bad
round.
enough.
He's going down.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Kenya, wait!
under orders.
Where's our man?
He's there. He's inside. He's already there.
Under orders. And they're off.
Kenya Waste!
I'm going to full start there.
Kenya Waste!
Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it!
Kenya Waste! Kenya Waste! We won.
No, he didn't win. But almost. The next round, he would kill everyone. But he was under the first 5, so he's a favorite. And our guy was on it. He's on it.
That's why you should not gamble, guys.
Always a good those. Toyota, please.
Yes, I bet 10 euro on you.
Oh, sorry.
We talked before, you remember?
Yeah, I took
No,
that. But
no,
no, because
fall
the
down before.
like but now we already removed that one.
But you were tight.
I'm going to
Team, which place have you been? Four? Or the next race?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's have a bet of Ralph
Good luck,
Winter.
man.
The right match, owned
As
by
you saw, I
Ralph
talked
Winter.
with my jockey. Next time he's gonna put more effort in it. I'm gonna try it again and win millions because of my jockey.
39 with
Professional
one and more.
target line created with
And then
flour.
of course, visit
That's
all
the
our
Kenyan
local
way.
charities. 39 diving the crab. Jacket 13 Leonardo's turtles, and they are under orders. Oh, bring them back. Get them settled down. And they're off.
That's for what all the people are here, I guess.
Okay, guys, ladies and
Probably what they
gentlemen,
are gonna start now,
we are looking for the best hat.
the head competition.
Yeah, bring
Check it out.
Bring it up.
You can participate.
I could.
Okay, ladies with the hats.
There's one guy actually, he has
You might be
a
on stage later.
bikini on
Just
and the
walk
head.
around.
He might
Come
do
on,
it.
ladies. I need judges. Yeah.
They love the show, eh? Yeah, number 3 won.
Yeah, please line up, ladies. Come here, come here. Come here. Turn around and show your beautiful hearts to the audience. There we go. A minute.
Aaron wanted to join the competition. He has to be the judge. I should have joined the competition if we have a man in the jury.
Or is this here? Okay. Best time, Steph by far. Congratulations, Steph.
Pretty nice thing they are doing here is they promote a electrical tuk-tuk. Check this out. Apparently it's the first electrical tuk-tuk in Diani, and they promote it. They want that people are booking more eco-friendly tours, like it's written on the door. We're gonna get ourselves some food. So over here we have to buy some vouchers before, and with this we can go to the next station and get us some food. I saw some hot dogs, some burgers, some shawarma, some samosas. It's little dough bags filled with vegetables or beef. But I'm gonna go for hot dog, I guess. That looks pretty good, eh? So the vouchers are worth 300 shilling. What is about €3? €2.50.
Number 3.
And with this we're gonna get now hot dogs and the burgers.
The raffle.
One beef burger.
Thank you very much, Toyota, for your generosity.
Sauces, you have what you call it there. You just put your sauces on your own. Some spices. Heinz ketchup. We have to keep this. Ketchup. Ketchup, mayonnaise or something.
5 titanium.
Get your hot dog and then I put the sauce.
Huh?
Get your hot dog and then I put the sauce.
Owned by Eloise has had a place today. Number 3 Land Cruiser is a winner today. Owned by 21 Roadrunner Marion Robertson, 18 White Lightning Captain.
Tomato sauce and ketchup.
Those are the runners of
You guys had enough money, yeah? Good. Because I got 2 extra samosas because they couldn't give me back my money, so I have extra food.
Please also visit and taste the wines from Wine and More. I'm sure they're
Love
also
hot.
taking orders today. Total Watch and charities here in Diani. Good Life Pharmacy is still doing tests. You still testing a few folks? We've got three runners in this race who have hats on for already. Stand on
Taekwondo, huh? Seems like it's Taekwondo. Is that Taekwondo? Taekwondo?
Take
that's all you think about is you place your bet. Well then, gentlemen, place it over.
Hey, not in the balls, man.
Look at that, 34! 34!
A grand. 100,000, sir?
Alright, we're leaving now the Gold Derby.
Already
win.
Yeah,
you won.
You
see me? But I was betting before on other race. And then at the end you won, right?
Yeah, I'm already number
Very
2.
nice. But you got the most beautiful goat, no?
Yeah,
Not
beautiful goat, and I'm win number 2 the race.
Ah,
I'm
okay,
in
okay.
Yeah, 2 times. So best goat and the run.
But you were changing.
Yeah, we have Leonardo, I have
Kenya ways.
Kenya West. Yeah. Kenya West, I'm win the best goat. Leonardo number 2.
Yeah. Okay, all good, mate.
160 with Arne. 160 with Arne. Anybody else?
We forgot, or we lost the accu of the GoPro, so now we're going back with the tuktuk to the Gold Derby. And we're gonna check out if we can find the battery of the GoPro. Wish us luck. You want to wait here and we come back in 2 minutes? Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
2 minutes, yeah? For now we have to say that we were not finding the GoPro battery. We're on the way back to the restaurant where we're gonna eat now. I told the people around that they should, if they find it, they should give it to the gate guys. So next days we're gonna ask there and maybe we'll find it. If not, then I did everything I can do. Later we're gonna go to Congo River. So now dinner in an Italian place, and after that we're gonna go to Congo River. And there's gonna be a full moon party. We just arrived at Congo River at the full moon party. Seems a bit quiet here. We had a great dinner. Now my belly is filled. And we're gonna check out the beach party. We see a bit of lights. We hear a bit of music. We bullshit. Alright guys, we made it to the first full moon party in Diani Beach, and we are coming also to the end of the video. Here we have some impressions for you guys of the night. I must say, so far I enjoy Kenya a lot and hope you guys enjoy watching. If so, then give me a thumb up, leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Happy to see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.